I welcome to this session. So now we go to see the topic Taylor series. For example number 1, expand e power xy in powers of x and y up to second degree. Solution: given that f of x comma y is equal to e power xy, here a is 0 and b is 0. Why? Because the problem itself given power of x, y. The general term is x minus a, y minus b. Here a and b are 0, therefore x and y is there. Therefore, that's why we chose a is 0 and b is 0. So this is a Taylor series formula. F of x comma y at the point 0 comma 0 is equal to f of 0 comma 0 plus x into, so fx of 0 comma 0 plus y into fy of 0 comma 0 plus 1 by 2 factorial plus so on. So we need to find f of 0 comma 0, fx of 0 comma 0, fy of 0 comma 0 and double derivative. So all these things we need to find. So f of x comma y is given. So f of x comma y is e power xy. So replace x is 0, y is 0, we can get 1. So you go to differentiating the function f with respect to x, we will get y into e power xy. Similarly, differentiating with respect to y, we will get fy. Fy is equal to e power xy into x. So f double x of xy is equal to e power xy into y square. F double y of xy is equal to, so e power xy into x square. Similarly, fxy, differentiating the function fx with respect to y, so we will get, so e power xy into 1 plus y into e power xy into x. So all the first and second derivatives are over. We found fx, fy, f double x, f double y, fxy. Now we can replace x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. We will get fx of 0 comma 0 is 0, fy of 0 comma 0 is 0, f double x of 0 comma 0 is 0 and f double y of 0 comma 0 equal to 0 and f xy of 0 comma 0 is 1. So therefore now this is the Taylor series formula. We can replace the Taylor series formula, all the known values here. So we will get e power xy is equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial into xy plus 1 by 2 factorial into x square y square plus up to etc. So this is the Taylor expansion of e power xy. So now we go to see the second problem. So expand e power x sin y in powers of x and y, so up to second degree. So given that f of x comma y is equal to e power xy into sin y. So given function we can take it as f of x comma y. So f of x comma y is e power x sin y. So we need to differentiate this with respect to x, fx, with respect to y, fy. With respect to double x, we will get f double x is equal to e power x sin y, f double y, fxy. So need to find, replace 0 comma 0. So f of 0 comma 0 is 0, fx of 0 comma 0 is 0, fy of 0 comma 0 is 1, f double x of 0 comma 0 is 0, f double y of 0 comma 0 is 0, fxy of 0 comma 0 is 1. Therefore this is the Taylor series at the point 0 comma 0. Replace all the known values and simplify it. We will get e power x sin y is equal to y plus xy plus up to etc. So the next problem, expand the function sin x sin y in powers of x and y as far as the terms of second degree. Solution, given that f of x comma y is equal to sin x sin y, so f of x comma y is this. So differentiating once with respect to x, we will get fx is equal to cos x sin y. Now differentiating with respect to y, we will get sin x cos y. So f double xy is minus sin x sin y, f double y xy is minus sin x sin y, fxy is cos x cos y. So now replace x is 0, y is 0. We will get fx 0, fy 0, f double x 0, f double y 0 and fxy is 1. Therefore this is the Maclaurin series expansion formula. So therefore f of x comma y is equal to this. So from the known value we can replace it. So the expansion of Taylor series expansion of sin x sin y is, so xy plus up to etc. So next problem, obtain the Taylor series expansion of e power xy at the point 1 comma 1 up to second degree term. So here f of x comma y is e power xy. Differentiating this f of xy with respect to x, we will get fx. So that is e power xy into y. Differentiating with respect to y, we will get fy. With respect to double x, we will get f double x. Differentiating the function f with respect twice with respect to y, we will get f double y. Differentiating the function with respect to x and y, we will get fxy. Now we can replace that x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, we will get e, fx is e, fy is also e, f double x is e, f double y is e, and f xy is 2e. So this is the formula. So replace your f of 1 comma 1. So known all the known values, we will get e power xy is equal to, so e into the remaining terms. Thank you.